In this video, I'll be showing you guys another brand new method of promoting CPA offers in which you can start making leads daily from. Okay, but before I do that, I want you guys to first subscribe to my channel. As you can see, my aim for this month is to reach 5,000. I know you guys can help me out. Those that are watching that have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel. And for those who have not watched this CPA marketing course I dropped 1st of January this year, okay, 4 days ago, the full tutorial 1 hour plus. In the video I explained about how to create Cpagrip account, max bouncing account, how to select the best offers to promote, and the traffic sources, different one, the best 5 traffic sources. I know the video is quite long, so 1 hour plus, but you guys can watch it to learn something more from it. Okay, so let's go into today's action, and I hope you guys have already subscribed already. Okay, so what you have to do first is you come over to your Cpagrip account, come over to URL locker. Okay, so we'll be creating a URL locker for an ebook. So come over to this site, freeplrdownloads.com. okay, you search for, okay, you can do this for any niche, but for this video I'll be going with something like spiritual. Okay, spiritual. Okay, just follow me step by step, don't skip any part because all parts are important. If you skip a part, you might do it the wrong way. Okay, so you will scroll, just look for any of the ebook that you like. Okay, let me see the next page. Okay, sorry, let me see. Okay, I like this, healing inside and outside. Okay, healing out, inside out and outside in. I love this. Okay, so I'll tap on it. When I tap on it to load, take me to the page where I can download this ebook for free. It has 41 pages. So what I have to do here is I will put the button on the my arrow on download here, and I will right click. Then I'll have to copy link location. So I'll come over to my Cpagrip here, create a new URL locker. I agree, then continue. So it's loading. As first, I want you guys to change your template. You can use any template. You can, this is the original one here, but I don't love it. You can go with this if you wish, or you can go with this, but I prefer this one. Prefer this other one. So once you have selected it, you come over to the general part here. Then for the lock URL, you input the link you copied. Then you do some editing over here. So you have to input the name of the ebook here. You have to input the name of the ebook. So come over here, copy it, healing inside out and outside in. Okay, just have to rename it. Sorry, healing inside out and outside in. Okay, so the size is 1.35 MB, 1.35 MB. The upload date 2021, so to look like a fresh ebook. One, then you can put like 04. Then you scroll down, and I love removing this. So that's all done. Then I can create the number of offers to 5. So that's all. Then create. So when you create, you have to copy your link. Sorry, you have to copy your link. It's quite simple. Tap on get link. Then you copy. Then you come over to this website called Snipely. Sniply. Snipely. You register an account. Very simple. You can register using your Facebook account, Twitter, or register normal using email. Then when you log in, you have to create a call to action. Okay. So the name here, since I'm promoting something spiritual, so I can write here heal your okay heal your healing. I can just put like healing. Then continue. Enter a message here. Heal yourself now. Okay, click here, then bottom URL, then you paste the link you copied from Cpagrip. Okay, then tap on continue. So when you reach this part, you come over to YouTube here and search for spiritual healing. So I'll just pick a video. Okay, click copy, right click, copy link address, then come over to the Snipely and paste the link here. Paste, then continue. Okay, let me see. So you just have to paste the YouTube link there. When you have pasted the YouTube link, you just copy this. Okay, so yours will take over to Facebook. So you take over to Facebook. Sorry for this. So you take over to Facebook and search for some group like Spiritual Awakening. Then you join lot of groups. So when you join lot of groups, you go there. Sorry for this. So you go there and you will just like post, make it look real. Make it look real. Okay, I've copied the link. Come over here. Make it look real. Can just post like okay. You can create a post. Can write something like heal yourself now by watching this healing video. Then you just paste the video for them. Then you post. So this how is done. So if you encounter any issue, just comment down below. I will reply you immediately, and kindly hit the like button. I really appreciate if you can do that, because this will help me grow my channel, and I actually want that I want to reach the 5,000 subscriber mark, and I know you guys can do it for me. So if you want to message me privately, check the link. You see my Instagram link there. Message me and we can interact. Okay. So when they click on the link to look like this. Okay, to look like this. It's loading.